The MOCs coming at you again, and since we've got some good reviews on these little guys, we decided to build the rest. So we've already built the car, we've also built a tank and an airplane, but this time we are going to build, if you guys remember way back to the 80s, there was a little buggy. So let's get the pieces out and let's get building. So pause the video here if you need to and go get all your pieces, but the general basics of it are the same as the car and the tank, more or less. So first we're going to start, and this time we're in black versus silver. If you've done the other ones, is take this this bracket piece here, and you're going to flip it upside down, and you're just going to take these, in this case black, 1x1 bricks with a stud on the outside like that. From there we are going to go and we are going to put on these clips, and then you should have this right now. Okay, so from here we're going to do the front of the car, I guess we can do that, and we're going to use these sloped grills here, one here, one here, just make sure they're all the way up, and then a 1x2 blue underneath the grill, and another one, and we're going to put his little head in there too, so a 1x1 round with the hole in the middle, and that's going to be the top. Okay, going to move to the other side now. We are going to get this handle piece and we are going to put it on like so. We are going to get this angled tile and we are going to put it on like so, and then we're going to finish it off. So we're going to have two more of these pieces with the clip, put them on like that, which will later become the knees. And then this is a bit different than the other ones. You're going to take this other handle piece and you're just going to connect it like this, so you can see you get the shape of the buggy, if you remember the original G1 add-on. And then we're going to finish off with the sides, or what will become the arms. I'll take a 1x4, a 1x2 tile in the middle, 1x1 black round dots on both sides to make the sides, arms, wheels, whatever you want to call it, and we're just going to do that second time again. Okay, and then we're just going to place them on here on the sides of the buggy. Oops, dropped him. And there he is in buggy mode. So how do you transform him? Fairly simple, like the other ones. Just going to look slightly different. You're going to just flip them over. You're going to move out the sides to become arms, and then you're going to wiggle the back part of the Jeep or the buggy to become his legs. So there is your Minicon Mini Spy buggy. So if you guys remember, again, if you remember back to G1, they were giveaways, I think, in the second series. When they were re-releasing the first wave, I think in '85. I could be wrong, someone correct me. But you can also use these as Minicons for your newer fans of Transformers from the Armada series. And if you want, you can hook these guys onto your bigger bots by using a jumper plate and or just an exposed stud, and then you can connect them on in their vehicle mode. So that's pretty cool. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial. Check for a couple more, and if you haven't built the car, the Jeep, and the what did we do already? We did the car, we did two cars, we did a tank and an airplane. So if you haven't built those yet, go ahead and build those, because we may have a contest coming up in the future. So until next time, everyone, happy building and take care.